Tired of pet hair everywhere? Feel like you're living in a fluffy nightmare? Well, it's a common struggle for us pet lovers. There are quick solutions. Try using a rubber squeegee to remove pet hair from furniture, carpets, and rugs. Simply glide the squeegee over the surface and watch as it easily collects and lifts away the pet hair. Regular grooming can significantly reduce hair shed. For stubborn pet hair on clothing or upholstery, combine the power of a lint roller with rubber gloves. Put on a pair of slightly damp rubber gloves and run your hands over the surface to attract and collect pet hair. Follow up with a lint roller to pick up any remaining hair. Also consider investing in a high-quality vacuum designed for pet hair. Baking soda is a versatile and inexpensive solution for neutralizing pet odors. Sprinkle baking soda onto carpets, upholstery, and pet bedding, then let it sit for about 15-30 minutes before vacuuming it up. Baking soda absorbs odors and leaves behind a fresh scent. Frustrated with Teddy's funky smell, pet odors can be a real nose pincher, but with the right strategies, you can combat them effectively. Regular baths for your pet and the use of pet-friendly deodorizers can work wonders. For accidents on carpets or hard floors, create cleaning solution using equal parts water and white vinegar. Blot up any excess liquid, then spray the vinegar solution onto the affected area and blot again with a clean cloth. Vinegar helps neutralize odors and disinfect surfaces. Regular cleaning of pet beds and toys is also key. With these tips, Teddy's funky fragrance will be a thing of the past. Tired with your pet's mess? It's a common challenge for all pet owners. But don't worry, we've got some solutions. First, consider using easy-to-clean pet bowls and mats. Training is very important. Teaching your pet where to eat, sleep, and play can significantly reduce messes. Pet-friendly cleaning products are your best bet to keep your home fresh and clean. With these hacks, your pet's messes won't be a stress anymore. Maintaining a clean home with pets is not a mission impossible. It's all about regular grooming, using the right tools, and giving your furry friends a good bath now and then. Don't forget the vinegar and baking soda for deodorizing, and always keep pet beds and toys clean. Choose easy-to-clean pet bowls and mats, and always use pet-friendly cleaning products. Training your pets can also make a difference. Try these tips and leave a comment. Please like and subscribe for more tips.